Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the exact order you want to cancel. Find the order number, ICSID, and date in your account or email. Once you have those, verify the cancellation window. Many carriers allow returns within 14 days because timing determines refund eligibility. Next, prepare to verify identity. Have the billing method and the last 4 digits of the card or payment service ready. This saves time during the next interactive steps and makes sure the representative or automated system can locate your order quickly. You should attempt an account cancellation first. Open orders, select the active SIM order and tap Cancel. Follow the prompts and choose a reason. If the option is not presented, escalate to live support, initiate chat or call, and clearly state the order ID and ICSID, then request immediate cancellation. Make sure to ask how refunds are processed. You want to know whether you'll get a payment reversal, store credit, or a prorated charge. This helps set expectations about timing and follow-up steps. You finish by obtaining written confirmation, a cancellation number, the expected refund date, and a contact reference. Save screenshots or email. If a physical SIM must be returned, follow the carrier's shipping instructions, keep tracking, and photograph the package. This proves timely return. If your cancellation is denied, remain calm. Ask for a supervisor, record names and times, and request a written denial reason so you can dispute with your payment provider. These steps close the loop and protect your refund rights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.